In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable call forwarding on your Android phone. This is useful if your calls are being redirected to another number and you want them to come directly to your device again. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your Android phone. At the top, use the search bar and type call forwarding. Tap on the result that appears under Supplementary Services or Call Settings. If you are using a dual SIM phone, you will see call settings for each SIM card separately. Select the SIM you want to manage. Next, tap on Call Forwarding. You will see different options such as Always Forward, Forward when busy, Forward when unanswered, and Forward when unreachable. Open each option and make sure there is no phone number entered. If there is, delete it. This will stop your calls from being forwarded to another number. Once all forwarding numbers are removed, your calls will start coming directly to your phone again. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tech guides.